Hi there everyone! Today I'm sharing a heart-shaped sweet buns recipe. Heart-shaped sweet buns are a fun and easy way to transform an ordinary dinner roll into a heart-shaped masterpiece. Whether it's Valentine's Day, your anniversary, or any other special occasion, these buns are good for that special dinner. So let's get started! By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. So, mix together 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, and 1 egg room temperature. Stir slightly. Next, add 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and zest from 1 orange. Gradually add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. First, knead the dough with a spoon, then with your hands. You can also use a stand mixture. Knead the dough until smooth and elastic and pulls away from the side of the bowl. Add some oil to a bowl. Cover and let the dough rest about 1 hour in one place until doubled in size. It's been 1 hour, the dough has rested. Divide the dough into 10 pieces, each piece about 83 grams. Cover them and let them rest about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, make the filling. Mix together 4 tablespoons of white granulated sugar and ½ teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. Additionally, we need 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Roll out each piece into 6 by 5 inches. Spread 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Add 1½ teaspoon of sugar mixture over the dough. Roll into a cylinder. Pin the edges together. Fold the roll in half. Cut the dough all the way through, starting 1 inch from the sealed end, and form a heart-shaped bun. Transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, cover and let them rest about 30 minutes. While the buns are resting, preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. After that, brush the buns with beaten egg. Then bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until they have a lightly golden color. Once the buns are baked, let them cool completely. They're so soft, sugary, and fragrant that you can't resist. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.